Welcome to Learner's Choice. Today we focus one competitive exam question based on round robin scheduling algorithm, and it is a numerical problem. Okay, so first we go through the question. Here the question is 4 jobs to be executed on a single processor system arrive at time 0 in the order A, B, C, D. Their burst CPU time requirements are 4, 1, 8, 1 time units. The completion time of A under round robin scheduling with time slice of 1 time unit is what? This is the question. So it is based on round robin scheduling algorithm, and we already discussed in some of our previous videos. First we note down some important data from the given problem. So what is the important data? So first we notice that here our algorithm is used algorithm is round robin algorithm. So RR, round robin algorithm. And the next important thing is what is the time slice. So suppose if it is round robin algorithm, we just need of the time slice. Already we discussed it in our previous video. So what is the time slice? Here it is 1 time unit. So round robin, and the time slice or time quantum is 1 time unit. Fine. Next we what is the arrival time of the process? Here all the processor are arrived only at the time of 0. It is also given in the question. So the time of arrival of all the processes is 0. So arrival time of all processes 0. So after getting all these ideas from the given problem, we just come to a conclusion. It is very simple problem, and it is very basic problem. It is not at all a complicated problem. So we just go through the problem in a very easy way. So what are all the number of processes here means it is A, B, C, D in the order of A, B, C and D. Then what is the arrival time? Already we note down. This one is 0. And what is the burst time of all the process? So BT, burst time is A for 4 and B for 1, C for 8 and D for again 1. So this is the burst time of all processes. Okay. So the next step is we just draw the Gantt chart of this problem. So what is the Gantt chart? So here first it is in round robin, the time slice is 1. So the starting initial time is 0. So at that all the processes are arrived only at the time of 0. So first we take the process A. It is process A and time slice is 1 only. So 0 to 1 process A is executing. So after the completion of time slice 1, then the A is preempted from the CPU and the process B is entered into the CPU. So now you note down one thing. Suppose 1 unit of the burst time is completed means the remaining one is 3. So you should write it here. And B. So again 1 unit because our time slice is 1 only. So 1 to 2. It is 1 to 2. So you have to subtract 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and at this time of 2 the process B is completed. Totally it is completed. It is get read from the CPU. Next one is C. So 2 to 1 time slice unit. So 2 to 3. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So after completion of C is preempted. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7, then D. 3 to 4, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So at the time of 4, D is completed its task and it get read from the CPU. Then again process A. So 4 to 5 because of time slice 1. So here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Again A here. Again we have to write the balance two processes are only there, A and C, because B and D completed its task and get out from the CPU. So the balance two processes are A and C only. So A 4 to 5, again we just contribute the CPU to the C. So C 5 to 6, that is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Again A 6 to 7, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then C 8, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Again A 8 to 9. So at the time of 9, 1 is completed. So get out from the CPU, and hereafter we concentrate only on C. So the next 9 to 10 travel is allocated for C, process C. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the balance one is the process C itself. So again C. So 10 to 11, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Again C. 12, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 12 to 13, again C. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 14, finally 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So at the time of 14, C is completed. So at last, at the time of 14, all processes are completed their task and exit from the CPU. Okay, fine. So what is the question here? The completion time of A under round robin scheduling with the time slice of 1 time unit is. So now you just take a reverse look of the Gantt chart. So this is called Gantt chart. You just take a reverse look. So here it is C. You just take a reverse look of this Gantt chart. So here at the time of 14, from 9, at the time of 9 to 14, all the processes here are only C. So the completion time of C is 14, but here our question is only A. So the completion time of A only. So at a reverse look of this Gantt chart, at the time of 9 only the process of A is completed. So what is the completion time of process A means? It is 9. So 9 is the answer for this question. It is very simple question. So suppose what is the completion time of C means? It is 14. What is the completion time of D means? It is 4. What about B means? It is 2. So this is the answer for this question. So what is the completed time of completion time of A, process A? The answer is 9. So here after 8 context switches, process A completes its execution. So the completion time is 9. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 are the context switches. So after crossing these context switches 8, the process A completed its task. So 9 is the answer for this question. Okay, I hope you understand well. So suppose if this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, like the channel, and share and give your valuable comments. Thank you very much.